dear children. How are you all? See, I have arranged the class for you. Is it looking beautiful? Yes? Thank you. I know you all are eagerly waiting to come to school, isn't it? Yes. Now, did you all see the last mathematics lesson? Yes, did you attend the class? Did you understand? I hope you all have understood and you have completed those questions. Very good. Now, today we are going to have a lot of fun, and there are going to be a lot of surprises coming up in today's class. Okay, and what is a surprise? I'm not going to tell you that. You can see what the surprises is. Today, the entire class or the entire period we are going to enjoy together. Okay, now today we have um, two guests or two surprises, okay, in our class. One is our little froggy, okay, and you know what frog does? What is a sound word that the frog makes? It is croak 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 croak, isn't it? And what does the frog do? The frog jumps, isn't it? Jumps. Yes. So today we're going to play a game with one of the frogs, okay, and the frog's name is Titu. What is the name of the frog? T2. And T2 is going to help us learn skip counting in twos. Skip counting in twos. So can we call T2? Yes. Are you all ready to welcome T2? Yes? Okay. So let's play this game. Okay. Skip counting in twos. So what are we going to do? We are going to learn how to skip count by 2. So skip counting by 2, this is what we are going to learn. So first let us have a number line. Okay, so I have brought a lot of children like you who are standing with a number. Okay, so can we see them? Yes? Okay, see, there are so many kids standing with the numbers. So we have numbers from 0 to 17. We have numbers from 0 to 17. And we will learn how to skip count by 2. When we say skip counting by 2, we will have only numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place. Ones place നമുക്ക് ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പർ ഉണ്ടാവുക? 0 ഉണ്ടാവും, 2 ഉണ്ടാവും, 4 ഉണ്ടാവും, 6 ഉണ്ടാവും, 8 ഉണ്ടാവും. ഈ നമ്പർ മാത്രമേ സ്കിപ്പ് കൗണ്ടിങ്ങിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ. ബൈ സ്കിപ്പ് കൗണ്ടിങ്, when we are counting by twos or counting in twos, then we will have only these numbers in the units place. Okay, so let's start. Now in this, so we'll start with our T2. So the T2 has come and the T2 is already in 0. The T2 is already in 0. Okay. Now, if you see, this T2 will jump to 2. Then T2 will jump to 4. Then to 6. Then to 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Is that okay? അപ്പോൾ ഒരു നമ്പർ വിട്ട് ഒരു നമ്പറിലേക്കാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ജമ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അല്ലേ? So we started from 0. We started from 0 and then we came to 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and then to 16. Did you understand? So where did T2 reach in the last? T2 has reached 16. And how did the T2 reach 16? Skipping or counting by twos. The T2 counted in twos and T2 started from 0. 0 to 2 and then 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14 and 14 to 16. What will be the next number T2 will be landing on? We will leave 17 and T2 will reach 18. T2 will reach 18. Very good. So did you understand? Now let us try doing skip counting by choose here. Okay. So see, I have few blanks. So can we all, now you have understood, isn't it? What is counting by twos? So can we do it? What will be the next number? 2, after 2, we will leave 3 and then we will have 4. Then we will leave 5 and we have 6. Then we will leave 7 and then we have 8, 10, 12, and after 12 we will leave 13 and then we will have 14. Then 16, 15 we are leaving, we have 60. Then what will come? Everyone is shouting the answer. Very good. It is 18. Understood? Skip counting by twos? Yes. Now, when we are skip counting by fives and we start from 0, what will come? It is easy, isn't it? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It keeps on going. So skip counting in fives means we will have 5, 10, 15. So see, we have two little bugs here, isn't it? Not bugs, two little worms here, and they're all waiting for you to complete this. So let us start. Keep counting by 5. Okay, so 1 is 5, then 10. We said 15. After 15, what will come, children? Keep counting. In 5's table, after 15, what comes? 20. Very good. Then 25. Very good. So if it is 105, 105, so let us try to do with big numbers. Okay, can we do it? Yes? All right. So we will do with big numbers also. Okay. So let us see with big numbers. Okay. Now we have 1005, 1005. So then what will come after 5? 10. So 1010. So what would be the next number? 1015. What will be the next number? 1020. Is that clear to you? And it keeps going. All right. So you can write 10 numbers or 20 numbers according to what the question is demanding. Okay. Now let us try to do one more question. Okay. What is a number? When we read the number itself, we will understand. Okay. 2355. So 55 means next what will come? 60. So instead of 55, we have to write 60. So 2360. Then 2365. 2370. Very good, and it keeps going. Now, did you understand? Yes. So in tens, how will you do? Counting in tens. Tens table, you know, isn't it? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, then 110, 120, 130, and it keeps going. So let us see. Okay, let us see counting in tens. Okay. So let us complete this counting in tens. 10, 20, what will come? What will come, children? 30, then 40, then 50. Very good. Did you understand? So now let us try to do counting in hundreds and counting in thousand. Okay. So I will write some questions on the board. Let us try to do counting in hundreds and counting in thousands also. So when we are doing counting in hundreds, we have to tell the multiples of 100, isn't it? So 100, 200, 300, it will come. So the first number which is given to us is 2300. So if after 300, what is it? 400, isn't it? Then after 400, it is 500. After 500, so let me just write 2500. After 2500, it is 2600, 2700, then 2800, 2900. After that, what will come? 3000. Then 3100. Like that, it will come. Okay. So let us try to count in thousands. Counting in thousands means 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. So in thousands place we will change. See, in when we are counting in hundreds place, the hundreds place is changing, isn't it? So in counting in thousands, the thousands place will change. So let us have this number 1235. So we will not change the hundreds place, tens place, nor the ones place. We will only change the thousands place. So we will have 2235. Then we have 3235. Then we have 4235. And it keeps going. Okay. So is that clear to you all? How to do skip counting, or counting in fives, or counting in twos, counting in threes, counting in hundreds, counting in thousands? I think now if any number is given, you can do it, isn't it? But you have to check the question. Check the question whether it is counting in tens, counting in hundreds, and then do it. Is that clear to you all? Yes? Everyone is listening? So come on, clap. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Ah. Can we start? Can we play a game? Yes? So that like you're attending properly. Are you ready to play a game? Yes. All right. When I say stand, you have to stand. When I say sit, you have to sit. Okay. I will say stand, sit, stand, sit. Are you all ready? And when I say stop, immediately you have to stop. Okay. Stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, sit. ഔട്ടായില്ലേ? Because you're not listening. Now, can we all attend the class properly? Yes? Okay. Now let's see. Now we have another guess. I said there are two surprises. One was T2, isn't it? Another one is a huge animal. What is it? It's not elephant. Okay. It is a crocodile. And name of the crocodile is Arlie. What is the name of the crocodile? Arlie. And you know what? Arlie can eat only numbers. Arlie eats only numbers in this story. And Arlie doesn't eat all numbers. Arlie can eat only big numbers, or the bigger number. If you give 3 and if you give 10, Arlie will eat only 10. Arlie will eat only the bigger number. So let's talk about what Arlie does. Okay. So can we call Arlie? Yes. You all want to see Arlie the crocodile? So here comes Arlie the alligator. Oh, see, Arlie is having a smile on his face. You know why? Because Arlie is eagerly waiting to eat the numbers. And what kind of numbers Arlie eat? Arlie eats big numbers, isn't it? So if you're giving two numbers, Arlie will only take up the bigger number. So let's see, why is it so? Okay. See, Arlie eats only bigger numbers. As I told, see, we have a number 8 and number 3. But Arlie would eat only the bigger number, and Arlie will open the mouth wide open and then it quickly eat it. Yes. Okay, so Arlie will eat only the bigger number. Now Arlie wants to check whether you know which numbers are big. Okay, which number will Arlie eat? You have to tell me. We have 76 and we have 67. Which number will Arlie eat? Arlie eats only bigger number, isn't it? And out of these two numbers, which is the bigger number? See, both the numbers are having two digits. So how to find out which number is greater? Okay, so see in this number 67 also we have two digits. In this number also we have two digits, isn't it? Then we have to check the first number. Here in the first number 67 it is 6 and in 76 it is 7. So which one is bigger? 7 is bigger. So Arlie will eat which number? Arlie is going to eat 76. Okay. So now did you understand how to find big numbers? So now let us see. Okay. When we say bigger number and smaller number, we are actually comparing the numbers. We are actually comparing the numbers. So here comes two numbers, 51 and 15. Which one will Arlie eat? Tell me children. Which one will Arlie eat? Arlie will eat. How to find out which number is greater? Both the numbers are having two digits. So you have to check the first number. In this it is 5 and in this it is 1. So 5 is greater than 1. So 51 is greater than 15. Now see, is the symbol correct? Will Arlie eat 15? Will Arlie eat 15? No, Arlie will not eat 15. Arlie will eat 51. So the symbol is wrong. Isn't it so? Yes, where should the mouth come? Mouth of the crocodile should come towards the bigger number. So see, Arlie will eat the bigger number, not the smaller number. So where should the mouth come? The mouth should be open towards 51 because 51 is greater than 15. Is that clear? Okay. So now let's see one more example. Okay. So we have 22 and we have 12. Now you tell me which one is a bigger number. The bigger number is 22. Of course, yes. So we will have the mouth open towards 22. So Arlie will always eat the bigger number and Arlie's mouth will always open only towards the bigger number. So what is this symbol known as? The symbol is known as greater than symbol. Okay. So 22 is greater than 12. So how do we read this? We will read this as 51 is greater than 15. 51 is greater than 15. Or we can read it the other way. We can say that 15 is smaller than 51. 15 is smaller than 51. Is that clear to you all? So what all we have seen today in today's class? So in today's class, we have learned skip counting in twos, skip counting in fives, skip counting in tens, hundreds and thousands. And who helped us learning that? Titu the little frog, isn't it? We also learned how to compare two numbers. Which number is greater and which number is smaller? Yes or no? And who helped us learning that? Arlie the alligator. Arlie will only eat bigger numbers. So the symbol of when we are inserting the symbol greater than and less than, the Arlie will open the mouth only towards the greater number. So be very careful. Okay. So thank you so much children for joining the class and see you all in the next class. Till then, bye. Take care and stay safe. Thank you.